The View announced its first round of guest co-hosts, who will bring conservative voices to the show following Meghan McCain's departure in August. The View announced the first series of guests who will sit in on the iconic daytime talk show to potentially replace Meghan McCain. The first series of women who will be joining Whoopi Goldberg, Joy Behar, Sunny Hostin, and Sara Haines were announced on Monday, August 30th, and they're a variety of conservative ladies from different backgrounds, via an ABC press release. ABC announced that it was taking a little time to find who would fill Meghan's seat, but for now, they're using a similar approach to Jeopardy! The first round of guest hosts includes former Secretary of State Condoleezza Rice, ex-Fox News anchor Gretchen Carlson, former Hewlett-Packard CEO and presidential candidate Carly Fiorina, Unfiltered CNN host S.E. Cupp, State of the Culture co-host Eboni K. Williams, former White House Director of Strategic Communications Alyss, Southern Charm reality star Cameron Eubanks, and journalist Mary Catherine Ham. The first woman to fill the role when season 25 premieres will be former Republican Utah Congresswoman Mia Love. When season 24 ended, Meghan said goodbye after 4 years on the show. The daughter of late Republican Senator John McCain, she provided a more right-leaning view of issues and hot topics during the daytime staple. She left at the end of the season in early August. I don't know what else to say other than thank you all so much again for the privilege and honor it has been for the past 4 years to work on this show. It really has been incredible. It'll be referenced in everything I do for the rest of my life, Meghan said during her farewell. Related gallery. The View, photos of the show. The View will make its return with the premiere of season 25 on Tuesday, September 7th. Besides the fresh crop of guest co-hosts, this season will also mark the 4 returning hosts going back in studio for the show. It will be the first time that the ladies have recorded together in person since March 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Other than season 25, ABC also announced that a new podcast, Behind the Table, will premiere on September 14th.